I think EPI has shown me how important it is to get kids engaged in exploring, and just due to where I live, we don't have tons of things right nearby, but they've shown me just like in games that we can play and things that we can do, how we can get kids engaged in exploring without going to this beautiful wetland that's like in the backyard, for example. I was outside of my comfort zone several times. I was very nervous about coming, but I am so happy that I did this. So I think it's just like an inspiration to show the kids, like, look I did this, you can do it too. And if they are given opportunities like this, they need to partake in them and just go with it, run with it, see what happens. I really want to take my kids on a trip and open it to other students as well. I would say that if you're a teacher or a student who is unsure if you can do a course with EPI, I was very scared and I'm here and I am so happy I did it.